Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville IKON espresso machine. Now I used to have one of these machines myself a long time ago, and this is a really cute machine. I really like it. For this machine, we had to replace the water pump. We also checked inside the electronicals of this machine, and everything was in good condition and looking great. So we only replaced this water pump, and that's all. That's all we did. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna be testing it out. And then we're gonna be doing a nice shot of espresso. As you can see, steamer, nice and good steam coming out of the machine, working excellent. Great pressure, great steam coming out of the boiler. Looking great. Now we're gonna do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now I'm using a little fine grind on this machine, so like I said, hopefully we can see a nice shot of espresso coming out. Good flow. Like I say, I'm using a very fine grind, not specifically designed for this machine, but we're seeing a nice flow coming out through there. Good crema forming on the top of the shot as well, even though we're using our test coffee and we're not using the correct grind for this machine. Gonna stop it right here. And as you can see, flow coming out of the machine looks great. Working the way it's supposed to. So thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.